Listen, no more pain. One more. What does that even look like? Can't be worse than the pear. They're hideous. Maybe less is more.
It doesn't have to be. Dr. Kadesh will show you some excellent prosthetic options. It's good if you have time. Right, Doctor? Absolutely.
Gonna get you a bright, shiny new ball.
It'll be super fast. Really?
Then I'll come after work.
No,
You please. When I get fired from my job, who pays the rent? You? You, Dr. Feldman? Just let him